Today we are making a tomato feta cheese pasta. Hi again, it's Lily from Beyond My Backyard, and tonight, guess what? I'm in charge of dinner. So, today I'm making a tomato feta cheese pasta. Can you name anything better? When it's cold, snowy outside. And guess what? It's delicious and comforting. Name one thing better. It's super easy also. And guess what? It's healthy. Come with me. Okay, so this dish is super simple. Mostly fresh stuff. First, you need to preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Second, you take your olive oil, but only a tad. Well, not a tad, but like some of it. Like, don't use all of it. That might be a little too much. I'm just gonna spread it around. Man, I changed my mind. Okay, so after you've added this olive oil, what you're gonna do is take your fresh tomatoes, put them in the pan. So let's just grab them. I wash my hands. You should probably wash your hands too if you're gonna pick them up and put them in like that. For me, I'm gonna dump them. I'm impatient. Oh, that was satisfying to listen. Next is the bacon. This is the TikTok twist. In the video, I don't think they put it in. No, they don't. Let's just dump it in there. I don't care, because we're gonna stir it around. Last but not least, now I'll save that for myself, are the sun-dried tomatoes. Okay, so you've stirred that around. You're like, now what? Okay, add the spinach, if you have it. Just gonna take it. My hands are big. I'm able to do that. Then you're just gonna stir it in before we add our seasonings. Okay, time for our seasonings. A little salt. I'm gonna be a chef. Wow. Pepper. I don't really care either. Wow. Oh, a lot of it's coming on the spatula. I'm gonna turn the spatula upside down. Just go like that if it catches on your spatula. So once you've got everything even, everything has oil on it, everything has the salt and pepper, what you're gonna do is you're gonna make a little well, just how I did. If you have the block, just put it in. If you have the jar, tub, whatever, you're gonna need to watch. Yay! Okay. So once you put all your feta cheese in, well, not all of it, but most of it, put it in, your preheated 400 degrees oven comes in handy. You're gonna bake it for 15 minutes. See you in 15, y'all. So, while that's baking, a little feta cheese stuff. Okay, you have the chickpea shells for Papa, all these for mine. And then the sedatani for me and my mom. So you want to prepare these while that's baking. Okay, after you took this out of that super duper hot oven, you're gonna take your garlic and your crushed red pepper. Sprinkle it on. Now, for the pepper. The pepper's super easy. It's just that tiny bit. So, now you're gonna pop this back in the oven after you put in your garlic and crushed pepper. Remember, crank it up to 440. You want to put it in there for about 10 minutes until it's nice golden brown. And the people who did it originally on the video said, well, your fire alarm should go off. So I guess we'll wait until our fire alarms go off, or just wait for the timer to out. 10 minutes. Thank you very much. See y'all in 10 minutes. It took a little more than 10 minutes, like maybe an extra 4, but not very long, for it to get this nice bubbly brown. Be very careful when you take it out of the oven. That's another thing. Make sure to put your oven mitt on. Safety comes first. Okay, so I'm gonna take a little bit of it. Oh, that's hot. Take a little bit of it. Scoop it up. Yeah, I'm ready to taste it. Take that. So I'm just excited about the texture of the noodles. I'm excited about the flavor. I'm excited about everything. Oh, I bet it's hot. That hits the spot. Perfect for today. It's so warm. I thought it was going to be hotter because it just came out of the oven, but I was wrong. It's just warm. I'm going to have another, to be honest. The bacon, the spinach, the tomatoes, the salt and pepper, the cheese. It's perfect. Mwah. Mwah. I'm a professional chef. Don't go yet. Make sure to give us subscribe. Huge thumbs up. Bye. Thanks for watching. See you later.